Hi there, and welcome to the Gallery Teachers Masterclass. My name is Sophie, and together we're going to have a look at how we can help our ESOL or ESL learners improve their spelling, right? To do that, we're going to have a look at why English spelling is, let's say, a bit tricky. We're going to have a look at what aspects of spelling can be quite problematic for our English language learners. We're also going to have a look at what is it that good spellers do. We're going to have a look at what strategies good spellers use, maybe even automatically, and then see how we can encourage our students to then use those same strategies. We're going to talk about that relationship between reading and spelling, and if good readers are always good spellers, and if good spellers are always good readers, and we'll have a little chat about this. But most importantly, during our workshop, we're going to have a look at different strategies, practical strategies that we can use as teachers in the classroom to help our students. We'll have a look at a range of activities, ranging from visual activities to more auditory, kinesthetic, and activities that really require more cognitive engagement from our learners. So see you there.